The original toothpaste, in 1850, Dr. Sheffield created a new tooth cleaning product called toothpaste, replacing the common tooth powders. Today, we continue his legacy by providing you a certified natural, great-tasting toothpaste you can enjoy. Known for great taste, we ensure our toothpaste leaves a great taste while avoiding any harmful substances or preservatives. Time-tested recipes with real flavor. Wintergreen, the cool, bracing taste of fresh wintergreen gives your breath long-lasting freshness, whiter teeth, and reduced plaque. Certified natural toothpaste. Our toothpaste is certified natural by the Natural Products Association (NPA). No fluoride or other synthetics, no fluoride, no synthetic foaming agents, no synthetic detergents, no artificial preservatives, colors, flavors, sweeteners, no GMOs. Top reviews from the United States. Great taste and does the job of cleaning my teeth. Simply love this product of natural toothpaste minus the fluoride. It has a great taste and gets the job done of removing plaque from my teeth. And I am happy to be using a product that has no harmful ingredients. Highly recommend this product.